Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at the Sunny Health and Fitness Essential Interactive Series recumbent bike. It's the SFRB 422003. So let's go ahead and I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you're going to want to check out this fantastic bike. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, one of the things I like most about this bike is the onboard computer. It's very intelligent. Now, first off, you can determine whether you're in the weight control zone or you're in the high intensity cardio zone. It will help you determine the exact number of calories that you're burning. It'll help you determine the distance and the time and everything in between with this. Now, it is adjustable for resistance. Oop. And bring it back down. So that's a huge advantage as well. And what I really like about this is this shelf right here. You can put your tablet pad or your phone right here and enjoy a movie while you're working out. One of the other things I like about this bike is the wide seat. This is good for a bigger person like myself, and I want a bike that's not going to bust my bottom. This gives you a very comfortable seat. It's the most comfortable seat that you can find. So number 5 was the computer, and number 4 is the seat. The number 3 aspect that I like so much about this bike is the portability. You can just pick it up and move it anywhere. It has wheels, and you can drive this thing just about anywhere. Now, with a lot of the bikes, they're so heavy you can't move them. This I'm literally holding with a finger. It's got great balance, and it's not super heavy weight. That's going to make a big difference for you and me, because we can bring it into the living room, watch TV in the air conditioning. You don't have to leave this thing out in the garage. You can put it just about anywhere. You can bring it out when you need it, put it into the bedroom, tuck it away, use it, and it'll even store like this to save you a little space. So that's super fantastic as well. The number 2 reason that I like this bike so much is the brand, Sunny Health and Fitness. They're an incredible brand that's been around for a long time, and they make high quality products. Everything from the stitching to the seats, to the bike, to the resistance, everything on it is top notch. They've thought about everything and they've been doing this for a long time. The companies that are fly by night, they don't think about things. They don't think about the wear and tear, the type of leather they use, the type of stitching they use, whether or not you got a spot for your iPad, things of that sort. They've gone ahead and made it super simple to get a great bike. You're gonna love it. Sunny Health and Fitness is a premier brand, but you're going to love it. And of course, let's not forget, it's available with Amazon Prime, so that's a big part for me, and we all know the benefits of Amazon Prime. Let's go to number 1. And what I like most about this bike is the overall ease of assembly. Pretty much the entire bottom came assembled. All you had to do is put these 4 bolts on, and then you just pretty much put on the seat. There's probably 6 to 8 bolts that you need to assemble, and we all are worried about assembly of stuff like this. It's super simple. It's only going to take about 10 minutes, and it does have the official user manual in English with great diagrams written by people who speak English well, and that makes a real difference to me. So you can see there's a lot of great benefits to this bike. The seat adjusts. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds. I have no problem on this bike. But you can move the seat all the way forward with the release handle right here. Move it forward, and it's good for somebody who's about 5'4" as well. So it really gives you some adjustment. Again, the quality's fantastic. It's registering my heart rate. It's registering the speed, the calories, the distance, everything you need to know. It is portable. It's easy to assemble, and it's available with Amazon Prime. So folks, if you're really looking to get into shape, there's probably nothing better than getting on a good exercise routine. And this is something that you can legitimately do while you watch TV. I'm gonna watch TWD with Rick Grimes. I'm gonna watch a marathon, and I'm gonna do an hour of biking today. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. My name, it's Adam, Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products I really like, and guess what? This is among the best of the best, and once you get it, you can forget the rest. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.